Hello, this is the Travel Queen, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving my travel review tips for Washington, D.C. I went to D.C. during the Labor Day weekend 2020. We stayed at the Doubletree Hotel, Crystal City, aka Arlington, Virginia, which is 10 minutes away from downtown D.C. If you are a Genius member, I would suggest that you reserve your booking through booking.com for the best price. My tour recommendations. Try the walking tours. You can go online and get these tours for either free or reduced price. The National Mall have plenty of museums. Also, at the end of this video, check out my recommendations for the DC area for sightseeing, restaurants, tours, and nightlife. The Arlington National Cemetery have two options. You can either do a self-guided tour for free or a group tour for a fee. My restaurant recommendations is called Busboys and Poets. This bookstore slash coffee shop slash bar has a vegan friendly menu with also American dishes. Located at 2021 14th Street Northwest. Try this place out. My nightlife slash entertainment recommendation would be for the DC Improv. Tony Rock was there that weekend. Check out their website for their calendars for events and dates for different comedians. This is located in the downtown DC area. Unless you are familiar with the DC area, I would come early because parking is limited. Thanks for watching Travel Queen 216. Please like and subscribe before you go. See you later.